आकाशापेक्षाही विशाल, सागरापेक्षाही खोल, क्षितिजाच्याही दूरवर, स्वप्नांहूनही सुंदर, प्रेमाहूनही प्रेमळ, गंगेपेक्षाही निर्मळ, जसा पावसाचा थेंब कमळाच्या पानावर मोती होऊन सजते, तसं नातं भाऊ बहिणीचं असते, तसं नातं भाऊ बहिणीचं असते. विश यू ऑल अ व्हेरी हॅपी रक्षाबंधन. Good morning to the dignitaries, guests, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I feel privileged to extend my warm welcome to all present here for the celebration of Raksha Bandhan 2021. Today is a day of great importance for every brother and sister who share a bond of immense love than that any other relation does. So, here we have Miss Rutuja to tell us more about this event.
बंधन का त्योहार है, हर तरफ खुशियों की बौछार है. बंधा एक रेशम के डोर में, भाई बहन का प्यार है, भाई बहन का प्यार है. हैप्पी रक्षाबंधन टू यू ऑल. रक्षाबंधन is the bond between brothers and sisters for their undying support and vow of protection of each other under any circumstances. Good morning to honorable guests, respected teachers, and my dear friends. I am Rutuja Pradeep Mahale, wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Being one of the most popular festival in India as well as abroad, its significance strengthens the bond between brothers and sisters, the defining character of Indian society. Raksha Bandhan celebrates the purity and protection of the bond that exists between brothers and sisters. Raksha means safety and Bandhan means bond. According to Hindu norms, sister applies tilak on her brother's forehead and ties rakhi on his wrist, praying for happy and healthy life. In return, brother gifts her with something that she likes or give cash as a token of appreciation and love. With changing times, tying rakhi is not only limited to brothers and sisters. People who feel safe and protected also celebrates Raksha Bandhan by tying rakhi to their elder sisters or friends or distant relatives too. The feeling of Raksha Bandhan has always been about feeling safe and protected. According to Hindu mythology, during the time of Mahabharata, Lord Krishna had accidentally cut his finger on his Sudarshan Chakra. Princess Draupadi tore the cloth from her sari and tied it around his finger. Lord Krishna was swamped by this kind gesture and considered that as a sacred thread. From that time, Lord Krishna vowed to protect Draupadi at any cost. In Mahabharata, when Kauravas tried to shame and belittle her, keeping his vow in mind, Lord Krishna appeared and protected her from the harassment and humiliation while nobody other helped her. Raksha Bandhan is observed on the last day of Hindu lunar calendar in the month of Shravana that typically falls in August. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated on the full moon day or Purnima in the month of Shravana. Raksha Bandhan tells the loving relationship between brother and sister. Brahmins change their sacred thread on this day and dedicate themselves to study of scriptures. The bond between brothers and sisters is simply unique and beyond description in words. There is no other love like the love for a brother. There is no other love like the love from the brother. With this, I conclude my speech, wishing you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rutuja. Raksha Bandhan centers around tying a thread on the wrist, symbolizing bonding between brothers and sisters and sense of protection and care for each other. It's our school custom to celebrate this day by tying rakhis to the trees by auspicious hands of Honorable President Girishji Marpande Sir and all the dignitaries, in order to take pledge to protect them. So, to continue this tradition, I humbly request Honorable Sir to tie rakhi to the tree and take the pledge to protect environment and promote good living.
वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे बनाच्या रे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे, पक्षी ही सुस्वर आळविती, पक्षी ही सुस्वर आळविती, पक्षी ही सुस्वर आळविती. वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे, वृक्षवल्ली आम्हा सोय रे बनाच्या रे.
Thank you, sir. So, friends, let us take a pledge to abide all the environmental rules and laws to help make this planet a better place to live in. We will not risk the sustainability of our environment. We will conserve, preserve, and take care of our environment. Our students have brilliant qualities and talents to show it to you. Without waiting, put your hands together for Tejal Ingre, who would deliver a speech on this auspicious occasion.
Hello everyone, I am Tejal and I am here for expressing my views regarding the topic Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan is a festival which is celebrated in the Hindu month of Shravan and in all over India with a lot of excitement and lot of joy. In this festival, a sister ties a thread that is known as a Rakhi on the wrist of the brother and prays for the happy and long life of a brother, while the brother promises her to safeguard and protect her from all the evil influences and bad practices. The meaning of Raksha Bandhan is not just simple, it has a unique meaning in itself. Raksha means protection and Bandhan means a bond of care, a bond of love between brother and sister. The Raksha Bandhan was first introduced when the queen of Chittor, Rani Karnavati, sent Rakhi to the Mughal emperor Humayun when she was in need of help, and it is also said that Draupadi tied Rakhi to the Lord Krishna. Now let's move to the importance of Raksha Bandhan. As we all know, siblings carry a special place in our hearts. No matter how much we fight with them, no matter how much we tease our siblings, but the care they have for us is just not compared to anybody else in this world. So for especially the girls, Raksha Bandhan is one of the best festival because as she ties Rakhi on the waist of the brother have to give something as a gift in her hand. It might be her chocolate, it might be dresses or her favorite stationery, and rather than the gift, it also spreads the message of oneness and unity in the family and brings family together. It also spreads the message of a brotherhood in the society. At last, I want to conclude my speech with one quote that चंदन की लकड़ी फूलों का हार, चंदन की लकड़ी फूलों का हार, अगस्त का महीना सावन का फुहार, भैया की कलाई बहन का प्यार, मुबारक हो आपको रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार, रक्षाबंधन का त्योहार. Thank you.
Wow, what a fantastic speech it was! Now, you will witness one another sensational performance by our students. So be ready to watch a beautiful dance performance by the little champs of our school. Please give a huge round of applause.
चल 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 कालसी
It was an incredible performance. Dear audience, do you know, every year on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, our school organizes a huge eco-friendly Rakhi making competition. For the noble intention, our school provides Eco Rakhi making workshop too. This year also, we are following the same by online mode. So, let us enjoy the beautiful moments of Eco Rakhi making workshop and eco-friendly Rakhi making competition too. In this competition, students have participated enthusiastically and made Rakhis at their homes. Not only they made eco-friendly Rakhis, but also they tied those Rakhis to their brothers. So, let us enjoy the beautiful moments here.
आशाएं 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 कुछ पाने की हो आस आस कोई अरमा हो जो खास खास आशाएं हर कोशिश में हो बार बार करे दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं तूफानों को चीर के मंजिलों को छीन ले आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी आशाएं खिले दिल की उम्मीदें हंसे दिल की अब मुश्किल नहीं कुछ भी नहीं कुछ भी
Wow, these Rakhis were fabulous. Dear friends, I hope you have enjoyed a lot, and I know that you all are eagerly waiting for the result of this competition. So, to know about the same, I would like to request respected VK sir and Nivani ma'am to announce the final result of this competition.
The competition was held into group. Group first 5th to 7th and group second 8th to 10th. In the first group of 5th to 7th, third rank goes to Snehal Ingle, 7th standard. And second rank goes to Bhakti Gandhi, 6th standard. And first rank goes to Anushka Rati, 5th standard. Congratulations all of you.
In the second group of 8 to 10, that third rank goes to Sakshi Hingankar, 9th standard. Second rank goes to Rutuja Morkhade, 9th standard. And first rank Srushti Outsar, 8th standard. Okay, congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Now, I will be glad to call Honorable Dikshit sir to give wishes on the occasion of Raksha Bandhan.
Happy Raksha Bandhan, dear students. You know, Raksha Bandhan falls in the month of Shravan Mas. It is also known as Narali Purnima. Raksha Bandhan is a symbol of bond, care and affection among the brothers and sisters, as Raksha means protection and Bandhan means bond. On this day, we should make commitment to protect not only our sisters, family members, but also the environment. We should protect our trees for better environment, because if the trees survive, we will survive. Thank you very much. Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Thank you, sir, for your beautiful wishes. Sometimes you will never know the value of a moment until it becomes a memory. How can this program be completed without addressing words of Honorable President Girish Ji Malpande sir. I kindly request Honorable President sir to address this beautiful event. Please sir.
Our principal and the teaching staff and the students who are being the part of audience watching and observing this program through our digital platform. We all know that Raksha Bandhan is the festival of mainly sister and brother, but we are also celebrating it by tying a rakhi on the tree. There is the same sensation which is in between the sister and brother. We all know that the brother promised his sister that he will protect her in every kind. If there will be any problem with her, he will be there. And at the same time, sister prays the God for the well-being of his brother. Here also the same thing is while tying that rakhi to the tree. But at the same time, we being the human beings, we also by tying that rakhi promise that tree or that part of which is the part of nature, because that is the symbolic tie of rakhi to that tree. It is our feelings against whole of the nature, that we will protect the nature and praise that, because we all know that after this severe pandemic period, we observed that we could not fight against the nature. In fact, we will have to proper balancing with the nature. In fact, in our culture, that is the cutting the tree or that destroying the nature, it is not our own culture. In our Indian culture, we always think that we shall, because in our nature there is a one main thing which shows our sensation with that nature, is that in our culture that we never eat the fruit prior to that reaping stage, because we always think that whenever that seed in that fruit will have to be reaped, it will have to be fulfilled, then only that there will be a, because that we all know that the seed is the beginning point of that tree. But if will that eat that raw fruit, it means that we are going to destroy the next generation of that food. That's why after reaping that fruit, it is our custom that then only we shall eat that fruit. That it means that we are making the procedure for generation of that tree itself. That is our culture. That by tying that rakhi, we all praise that, and also praise to that nature that you shall always with us. And because that, except that, because the earth is the only planet in the world where there is an atmosphere, where there is a nature. That's why, except of that, without that all this nature, we could not live. The whole of the humanity will have to be in danger. That's why we celebrate this festival in such another mode, but with that same sensation. I think that it is sufficient for today's occasion. I praise happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Thanks. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much, sir. Your words always inspire us. तेरी उदासी मेरी मेरी दुआएं तेरी सारे जहाँ की खुशियाँ तेरी बंधन तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है ये प्यारा अपनों में है जीवन सारा बंधन तेरा मेरा रिश्ता है ये प्यारा अपनों में है जीवन सारा. Dear friends, your presence made this day a memorable day. Thank you for listening, for encouragement, for being here, and most importantly, for giving your time and making your presence. Thanks to the work that all the team members have done. Teachers, students, organizers, and every team member who made this possible. And what you witnessed today was really their efforts and hard works. Once again, wish you all a very, very happy Raksha Bandhan. Thanks for joining and watching.